Have you ever wondered which cloud certification can boost your career more effectively, AWS or Azure? Both platforms are leaders in the cloud computing industry and offer valuable certifications that help professionals build strong careers in cloud technology. In this video, we will compare AWS and Azure certifications, explore their key differences, and help you decide which cloud path aligns best with your career goals. Understanding AWS and Azure certifications. Before choosing a certification path, it is important to understand what AWS and Azure offer. Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure are two of the most widely used cloud platforms. They help organizations store data, run applications, and manage digital infrastructure through cloud-based services. Both platforms provide certifications designed to validate cloud skills in areas such as cloud architecture, development, security, and system administration. Now, let us explore the factors that can help you decide which certification path is right for you. Factor 1. Market demand. Both AWS and Azure are widely used across industries, but their adoption can vary depending on the organization and region. AWS has historically been a dominant cloud provider and is commonly used by technology companies, startups, and cloud-native businesses. Azure is strongly adopted by enterprises that already use Microsoft products such as Windows Server, Microsoft 365, and enterprise software solutions. Understanding which platform is more common in your target industry can help guide your certification choice. Factor 2. Certification path. Both providers offer structured certification paths for beginners and experienced professionals. AWS certifications begin with AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, followed by associate-level certifications such as Solutions Architect, Developer, or SysOps Administrator. Advanced options include professional and specialty certifications. Azure certifications often begin with Azure Fundamentals, AZ900, followed by role-based certifications such as Azure Administrator Associate or Azure Developer Associate. These structured paths help professionals build cloud expertise gradually. Factor 3. Learning curve. The learning experience may differ depending on your technical background. AWS focuses heavily on cloud-native services and architectural design patterns. This can make it attractive for professionals interested in cloud architecture, DevOps, and scalable application design. Azure may feel more familiar to professionals who already work with Microsoft technologies such as Windows systems, Active Directory, or enterprise IT environments. Choosing a platform that aligns with your existing skills can make the learning journey smoother. Factor 4. Career opportunities. Both AWS and Azure certifications open doors to various cloud-related roles. Common career paths include Cloud Architect, Cloud Engineer, DevOps Engineer, Security Specialist, and Solutions Architect. Employers value certified professionals because certifications demonstrate validated knowledge of cloud technologies and best practices. Whether you choose AWS or Azure, gaining hands-on experience alongside certification can significantly improve your career prospects. Factor 5. Long-term career goals. Your long-term career plans can also influence your decision. If you aim to work with cloud-native applications, startups, or multi-cloud environments, AWS certifications may align well with your goals. If you plan to work within enterprise organizations that rely heavily on Microsoft infrastructure, Azure certifications may offer stronger relevance. Selecting the certification that supports your long-term career direction can provide better professional growth. Both AWS and Azure certifications offer excellent opportunities for building a successful career in cloud computing. The right choice depends on factors such as your technical background, career goals, industry demand, and the technologies used in your workplace. By understanding these factors, you can select the certification path that best supports your professional development in the cloud industry. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy official channel for more insights on cloud computing. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.